Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. It is another day here in Benidorm. It's a slightly cooler day today actually. We are seeing 27 degrees, but I don't really believe it is 27 today. Maybe something like 25, somewhere around there. Flip you around, show you the bank round here, where all the owners tend to sit. Cause I know it's one of the areas that Johnny Horizon will pay a visit to soon with some food for them. So not only do you get the real homeless sitting here, you also get the fakes as well. Gonna cross over. It's the day after San Juan, so I hope everyone had a great San Juan. We didn't get out last night, so yeah. Got 12 man just down there in corner. Yeah, I can't really say too much about that. We haven't been in for at least a year. I think the last time we were in 12 man, your birthday to the year, wasn't it? I think. I can't even remember. I know I got my chips across the road there as well, great place. And of course the Paradiso, very nice place, bit on the pricey side, mind you guys, but sort of worth it for like a nice sort of posher meal out, like if you want to treat yourself or something, maybe like last day of holiday, you want a bit of a treat, go somewhere different, that's the best place to go. Now I will just say this about Benidorm as well, lately there's been a lot more homeless about, so just be careful, they are real, they are fake, just know the difference really. Dynastic Hotel as well, yeah, mixed reviews on that. One even saying they charge you for use of the pool, even if you are a resident. Bit weird. And of course across the road, Spain's answer to Greg's, simply delicious. Yeah, not my favourite place. My personal opinion, Florida Pasteleria, much better than the Union Jack. Yeah, that's went downhill. And just up the back there is the Med Playa Argenta. I'm surprised how popular that hotel is actually. I mean, it sort of backs out onto Main Road. Alright guys. Morning. Oh, not bad. True. Take care guys, enjoy. Some fans there recognising us. So yeah, as I was just saying, we've got the nice weather, but it is quite cloudy, so yeah, that's quite cloudy. Still is a little bit, but does sort of make you think, will we see any rain this week or not? All the different gift shops up here as well. Now, few of the fake beggars to watch out for. This one sat up here with the trolley, part of one of many Romanian gangs that come into Benidorm for a day of begging. Another one is both the old and the young guy who pretend to be crippled by bending over, like twisting their feet in and all that, walking on crutches. A miracle how at the end of the day, once they've decided they've got enough money from begging, they can actually stand once again. Weird that. Yeah, there are a few more as well who are fake and liars. Like, you just got to watch yourself, guys. My personal favourite is when we used to have trouble with a lot. I'll just show you the sun terrace first there. Now, the one I'm on about used to sort of be round Old Town a lot. And well, it seemed like everywhere we went, he went. Like, we'd go for a meal at a friend's bar, and you could guarantee within a couple minutes of being there, he'd be along shaking his cup, sort of asking for money. Then you'll tell him to go away. Couple minutes later, he'd be back again. Tell him to go away again. Couple minutes later, he'd be back again. And well, it were getting to a point where, like, we were chasing him off, our friends were chasing him off, and it were just getting annoying. Like, he'd try to fight you and stuff. And today my advice is just sort of learn how to tell if they're fake or not. Like, be careful who you give your money to. Yeah. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Adios.